Wala deo. Wala deo. Wala de. This matter don't rub Ebo Amagba. Wala deo. This matter don't rub Ebo Amagba. Ebo Amagba. Call up make them give me my land for Amagba where they sold. Ebo Amagba. Wala de. Mona tell person wey say my land, make give me my land for Amagba. Mona share this video, make Ebo Amagba for the vibrates. Peace now go there, Amagba. Oh, peace not there. Peace go fast from Amagba community. Unless say they go collect, they will give me my land. Peace no go dey unless I don't know person wey sell my land. I don't know that person. Now wetin make I dey tell Abba say give me my land. If I know that person will give me my land. Ebo Amagba, make una give me my land. Ebo Amagba, I dey respect you now. If they don't give me my land, the next happening days, Ebo Amagba, I will use you to rock ground. Now you be the chairman for that community. They call her back now. They call her. They call her back now. I bought that land for Amagba community 2010 to 2011. Hey, Bamba, now you be the head of that community. I don't come like this, like ego with the battle. Like be. My heart is full of blood. My heart is full of blood in the rain. Hey, boy, Amagba, if you not give me my land for Amagba, when I go yell for things from my hand, don't vex me. This time around, I need my land in the Amagba community. Hey, boy, Amagba, they go back now. The one I want cause, I will cause for everybody go back. I will make no sense. This is not a take to house where nobody there. Me? Ha! When I will learn, how to say, when I will learn you thing for my hand, no. When I will learn all thing for my hand, all thing I will learn, not be new thing. Now when I will teach you whole thing, I will come teach you new thing finish. Anybody again, you see, say, this land has proposed land, you don't go take time. I will make sure so my house, nobody they stay there again. God, me? Too big for nonsense. I'm too big. How about I don't want my leg come outside? Who they go give me my life for Amagba? Make me on the bell again for Amagba. Oh, help Amagba! Come people, everybody know who I be. Oh, come on back. Now when I give me my life for Amagba. Come on, no. Come on, when I say me I give my land. Oh, what way up across from every day. I make a point, I said, peace is going to be far from my part. They think it's a joke. No, sir. Even though I said to my church, tell me, say, make a no rest. If they like, it was not 1 million police for America, no say smart, they will say, never. Before I arrest, kill me first. Help Amagba, not give me my life for Amagba. Help Amagba. I don't give me life for Amagba. No peace, so peace, no day. Peace is going to be far from you. Please, I'm a talker. I know who they vibrate. This is just don't know me. This is just going to cast me, they paint my daughter picture. This boy don't know the way I take over my daughter, I know what I get. This boy don't know where today. This boy don't know how I love that small girl. This boy don't know why I know they pay that girl for Facebook because of people. People don't know something like that I get. He got placed and cultural rubbish. Your home will use this. One day you go out. This time around, God say, God bless me. We'll go there when I go fit all things. We'll go there, thank God today for life. Not even money no food do for you. Help Amagba. I will give him a laugh Amagba. Come back. Help Amagba. Call her back, make her back, give me my life, Amagba. Amagba, when I buy 100, they say who sell my land You dey sell my land, you dey sell bed land. Oh God. You dey sell bed land. Big bed. See now that something never happens to me. You dey sell big bed land. You will not ask questions about me. Wala deo. Wala yata. Wala deo. Wala yata. Our community no level. Ebo Amagba, if you don't take it, see my papa will use you to rob land. Hey, they play. Ebo Amagba, if you don't take it, ask my papa say, I will use you play. That's not the key to Amagba. No better. Now me, why lion I be? I be breeze. Now I be. The way God creates me is different than other humans. If I wake up like this, I will tell you what will happen today. The way God creates me, my brother, he is different than other human being. Ebo Amagba, now give me my life for when I buy, till I die. I will collect them. Unless you are not kill me. Unless you not kill me. And for us that they are alive, they will give me gold to go sell land. I want to see who sell my land for Amagba. You dey sell big bed lands. Peace no go come. Peace no go come. For not give me my land for Amagba. Amagba gonna be a long man. Oh, bet me. Nobody will go there and come buy land. Now one try me. Ever since I lock up, this is Joe they use me play. If you are not give me my land for Amagba, na for some blood we are going to see for there. Or to not give me my land. Yeah? Now when I use small picky I take back, come and not see am. When I go sell land to make money dey easy. Ebo Amagba come Abba say, Alpha, I see your brother video. Where the land dey wanna give me my land. You go lay all thing for me. Now whole thing, all thing that Abba go lay for me, no be new thing. You don't fall for the trap. As I love my daughter wish. You know how that get be. You know how it take be. You will not fear go that rubbish. When I put it go for neck. You know they look picture before you post. You dey face. You go at them and you don't get sense. You know they read color. You wear swag. To say you don't be my brother, for don't hear us, he says the thing. I just know for don't that God. Torino, Abba, una fuck me up, oh. Una fuck me up, oh. This people don't know who they talk to for the true America. Even though American government come here, police come here, I'll tell police, let police go out. I will pursue police, go out. Are they like video they talk? Police will go ask. Remember, where we forget them till I die in America. I don't be Nigeria. America protect me here. You help Amagba wanna give me my land. Help Amagba give me my land. I buy that land for small picky body. Some of them when they talk any at that time. We never see money for her. Now they have been run the man for Facebook. Now so here the family. For 20 something you never serve at only once. But now they gonna call the run the mats. This time around, if I see Facebook, he go wrong. When I official arrest, today na Monday. I come my job, say, come, give me 1 week. I know go work again. What am I going to do for work? Work don't bath. I want to draw my land for Amagba hand. Now help Amagba go give me that land. Because the help Amagba na every community. Help Amagba, give me my land. You see the way you tell you get people there, you will understand very soon. Help Amagba, give me my land for Amagba. I'm a final. Even say that land at 5 naira. I fasten Amagba community. I will collect them. Unless say I don't know who run now or I don't know the person. If I know the person, say the person is Amagba for there. I will use the person here, take on to house, no way, nobody there. Yeah. Me? No way. Governor Obaseki no work for 8 years. Now Governor Obaseki no work. Governor Obaseki. Mona Shena make on the mask. Governor Obaseki tell Abba say make Abba give me a land for Amagba. Governor Obaseki tell Ebo Amagba say me give me smart Obazee. Tell us say me give me my land for Amagba. Till I die, I will draw that land. I don't care what is when I get, but that land will collect it. I will collect land in a very, very rugged way. I will collect the land in a very, very rugged way. I don't want to collect it in peace, no. As I collect that for now finish, I'm not going to build that as boots. I will use that take to get to. I will use that take to where they for the smoke. Now me get out. Different for them. I don't do that for them. But that one will do. That one will give for Amagba. Hey, Amagba, you don't get this. Go back. Go back. Go back. Governor Obaseki. Governor Obaseki tell Abba make Abba give me my land. Governor Obaseki make Ogo ki Abba. Since you become governor, ask Abba whether Abba don't give me 5 naira once. Governor Obaseki ask Abba say how far. After they give you money rich, you know they look this your brother. What did they saw? Ask him. Abba na useless person. Abba, if you do Facebook here, call me bastard. I give you 3 sound rules. 1, you will do first video. Apologize to me. Those rubbish when you talk, tell them say now lie in the life of my head. 1, 2, you'll give me my land. You don't owe me 200 million. You'll give me. 3, you go vow, say, you don't go bring family matter come against social media. If you don't do that 3 video, I will leave you. Otilo. I don't talk about that again for the next 1 million years. But I will monitor you. Mother-in-law, you go as so. Ijo wo mother we jo wa mother ya swaro we mother come up for that so. Kata boss. Toka boss yo. Authority say that we concern. We call the tendency. We know hey brother. He no want like this so. I don't wear my yellows like this so. Before I go comot my yellows when I wear for my leg. Wetin make me wear yellows? Danger day. I don't wear yellows now for 6 months. I no go put that yellows when I wear for 6 months. I no go pull am o. My heart is full of red o. My head is full of blow. Hey God. I never know what they play. My yellow when I wear, I die if I pull out. 6 months, I don't go pull out. Till they give my life on my back. I don't put my yellow also. I don't pull out. My yellow, when I put for my food, I don't remove her. Ebo Amagba will give my land. My hand is full of red. My hand is full of blue. Be careful. Our community man not balance for there again. Man not balance again. Ebo Amagba, I should tell you that your people there. Now me will reduce you compared to me. Now me they call stone white lion. Now me big bed. Very big, not big. Big bed, not big, very big one. I don't be sad. Worldwide, ask question, they will tell you, no stuff for it. Because I go South America. Ebo Amagba will not give me land. Tell about call about say how far give me land. One more to me, Ebo Ayo. But I will put something for them. How about the Chris? How about Ogungwe? Only one daughter when I get from America. How about me if Ogun no go punish you? If you want advice, no call me. You don't go cast me if you say you dey advise me. Advise yourself, motherfucker. You know me. I be breeze. Since you know me, never hear anything about me before. Say that so the first for the bother. Who? Your friend when you dread for kind of law, you know see what easier they see for Jesus Christ. We worry you. You don't go Canada now. Me, Smart Obazee. You go learn all things from me, not be new thing you learn from me. Now me want to teach you thing. Now then when I go mess you, I'll teach you new thing. All things that you will learn from me. You start from all things, you can't learn new thing later. You go here and do it. Every time. This is the job they carry for you on the social media. This one when you do so, now I will take care of you. If I later forgive you, anything social media for water, you don't claim that social media again for your life, your miserable life. You know go try it. And you know talk about me again. Now so you put it for school. Now so this one. Now so you be. How about who you be right for time? Who you be? Not be wait, who's you not be boy? You na that brother for us, you dey Chris. That one die for the claim about brother. Okun boy. Now be first boy when my dad fell born. Boy not senior you, not be brought senior you. That one can't go. Then you call the claim senior brother. Okun dey kill you. Not be get senior you. Now get senior that one way senior you. You not senior for us. Senior they carry for him on the social media. You say senior. Abba is a good person. To a young girl more. Abba may be good to you people. Not in the house. Shut up your mouth there. Abba is a good person. Do Abba know anything about you? You give him a work. You say he's a good person. Don't think they don't know anything about you. Shut up your mouth there. Abba is a good person. Shut up. It may be good to you to know that it's good to me. Shut up your mouth and get out. It may be nice to you, but it may not be nice to me. Shut up. Why go and go and fear you? Now they hype up on social media. Make the guy and they fuck up anyhow. That's what I want to take American government. I don't know throw now the whole administration for America. This boy now go pay like IT and put my daughter boots. He said to tell American government about smarts. When we say America now the hot, also to authority. Who wants that getting? My brother person, I told you today, you are the best. Donald Trump are the president. Switch up on our right. Carry my government, join that with a whole now. What am I born now? You will say that one of my brother. It will say I feel that bad. I feel a poster. So the God see. Now so I'll go back. Where? I will this time. I will bought the edge.